Hey, Master Investor, hope you're having a great day. Listen, it's 5 o'clock in the morning and just wanted to share this video with you. Aside from me telling you, always be on time, everywhere where you go, any meeting that you have, make sure that you're there on time and always show up with a great attitude. Pay attention, ask questions, listen, and when they talk to you, pay attention and give them 100% of your attention. It's important. But aside from that, I want to show you the power of the internet. If you want to learn how to make passive income, I woke up to over $1,000 on passive income and I only went to sleep for 4 hours. I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing by having a digital franchise working for you.